Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Sous Chef. So one of my subscribers asked me to do a $20 meal challenge, and I thought it was a great idea. I wanted to show that it doesn't take much to make a nice meal at home. So let's go to the market now, and I'm gonna spend less than $20 for a meal for 4 people. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Alright, so I just got onion and sweet potato, so I think I'm gonna make... And now we're at the meat section. I'm back from the market. So I was craving something hearty and soupy because of the weather in New York. It's currently raining. I was at the produce section and saw an onion and I saw a sweet potato. So I thought it would be great to make curry today. So let me show you what I ended up getting from the market. Mixed vegetables. Beef chuck stew, sweet potatoes, yum, yum, 1 onion, a box of solid curry. To start off, let's cut our main ingredients. I took the beef chuck stew and sliced them into bite-sized cubes. Next, we'll chop our whole onion. We're gonna peel our sweet potatoes, cut the ends off, and chop them up as well. Alright, time to head to the stove. Turn up to high heat, then spray some olive oil into your pot. The first thing we're gonna saute is our onions, quickly followed by our beef. You'll continue this onion beef sauté until the onions look translucent like this. At that point, throw in your sweet potatoes. Right after, you'll add enough water to just about cover all the ingredients. In this case, we used 4 cups of water. With the water added, put your lid on and bring to a boil. This took about 10 minutes. When you notice the water boiling, you can add your thawed bag of vegetables. Almost time to add in our curry. You'll know it's time when your potatoes are soft enough that a chopstick can poke through them easily. We're gonna change from high heat to low heat right before we add our curry blocks. This is important, so don't forget this step. We need low heat for a nice thick consistency of our curry. Keeping it on high heat will make it too runny. Here we used 4 of the solid curry blocks. With your low heat still going, stir in gently and slowly mix. Keep stirring every few minutes until you end up with a nice and thick consistency of the curry. Here's our finished dish over a bowl of rice. I know rice technically wasn't included on our list, but we were just about $7 under. And that's it, guys, my less than $20 curry recipe. I hope this proves to you guys that you can make a yummy meal for your family or friends that's less than $20. As always, thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what my next dish should be. Till next time, guys, thank you, bye! So one of my subscribers reached out and asked me to do a $20 minute challenge. And I chose $6 worth of beef chuck stew. Please leave for your family or friends for less than $20. Yes, you can do it. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if what do you think I do. Hello! I'm going to make beef curry. Hi guys, I'm back from the market. So I was at the produce. Love you! You'll know it's time when your potatoes are soft enough that a sauce